Bangasi para mageta para skelam key.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage pinga cha mitambo. Itiba zwenda dera, jingo data zwa mishasho.
Welcome back. It's the Van Rap Radio. We vibing, we having fun. I'm hoping you are safe, you are sanitizing. Wako tamba ufika na 20 seconds. And I mean it is your fun and it's you can do that. I'm right here to show you the music video. Brand new, just dropped from BLAQ I featuring Skidi. A-Avhude. Ribu shere mavendeni. A-Avhude. Ribu kakate. Wichi bara ridotevura. Hai, here's going to go to the engagement. Ribu kakate. Yeah, bro. So, music video no one. I told him like, man, I'm gonna check out your music video, and then yeah, I'm gonna tell you what I think. So I'm about to say that Nabone, like we're watching this for the first time together. Because yes, I've watched a bit of a clip, the preview, the trailer and all that. But right now, we are about to give you the freshest music video that just dropped in there. We're praying and we're hoping and we're making sure we gotta see this on TV. This is dope. And nicest thing, my boy is spinning the bag right there. Dendo, big up. A-Avhude, BLAQ I featuring Skidi. But bring it on. Official music video. What drop on the moose? Zino. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and BLAQ I's YouTube channel also. This is what caught me from the beginning. Check out how clean the video is, man. Like, check out the cleanest.
Mucho achirurubiri. A-Avhude. Bring it on, yeah. A-Avhude. Ebatu banje bambodore ndiva Uganda. The way you party but then during the one musanda. The book of kata did you present the pandaranda. Now them girls got present as we can venda.
Okay, like before I even go further, the flow, the wordplay, ne? Like already, need to move forward. Boy, already, already gab, already send that scene. Hey, who could do mini next? Who could mini up? We're talking about party songs, vibe, something change a connect and avaso. I know about that. This is the party song. This is the vibing. This is all about having fun. I'm telling you. Venda corona, I'm telling you, this year, South Africa youth. We were going outside. Like I'm gonna say, thank you very much. At last they have listened. At last you're doing great. We've been preaching. And then it's happening. BLAQ I, A-Avhude featuring Skidi. Check the video, guys. This is a simple, nice, vibey party song, and the video shows you that. A-Avhude.
Shikomari hotel and Mantara Nico set a party, Matafudo Tarungali party, Simabari bar, relaxane on a hare, blow by blow. Better than to take it slow, go with the flow, starting the one under the floor. Panagalo, Machitanga Jifanagalo, Bakobada, Bakongara, Batafara, Misara, Sara, Eco Tara, Bonogara, Nico Fara, Bago, Combacha.
Flowing, hey.
Push it, top, Tongo Takamera, no Shumera, Bambis of Gorilla, Galeric, Bacolina, Atichakitima, Cochimbira, Pits and Nicomida, Bombreba, than the Coquilla, Mitis, Cobira, A-Avhude, and the Bushel, Mabende, and A-Avhude, the Bushel, Usikana Machero.
The Bushel, Mabende, the Bushel, Usika Machero. Like, what more are you looking for? This is not the zone. Because the Kodambangone. We're having fun. This goes way beyond. Asmapungofi is just a song about parties. Yes, it's a party song. Mara the message, if you listen to this chorus also. Ikwambori, you gotta hustle, you gotta work hard and celebrate when the time is right. No, this is all about this song. Work hard, push hard. Be you, do you, and celebrate. A-Avhude.
It don't matter, I'ma do it just for the sake of the weekend. She told me say 10 shots Hennessy. She told me say now Skidi high and drink. drinking. I need a little water while I'm thinking. Whether it's like roll some more, smoke some more, give me more. Like she does this for a living. Girl, you're rolling with a rock star. Got it acting like a pop star. Make your mind and know that's some good wine. Wine glass for you, make a few tips. Now she wanna make me ride it like a gypsy. Just tell me what you need. I could be your destiny. Rigoribu wa mubiri, rigoribu wa mubiri. Mutu achiri rubiri, mutu achiri rubiri. Rigoribu wa mubiri, rigoribu wa mubiri. Mutu achiri rubiri, mutu achiri rubiri. Abude, abude, abude. Abude, abude, abude. Bring it on there, abude. Abude, abude. Abude, abude, abude. It's out to party, no. Get your money, it's so good about your imani. Kanisan, and it's the about your vandilana. But for says how about you when you make more money. Drive a son, Lapito than show me so cut. Shana Satan, gonna eye your fed at the gun. I don't care what they say, they could push us pan. It told them my pain, my bambiri pangach come on. Never said them what the sun ain't gonna do be money, man. What for the Gambazoni? I've thought there's watching TV. Hustle harder, push more harder. Don't stop, Baba. Put in everything so never now so near usikera. Black guy. I think some upcoming artists or someone who start rapping today, they should listen to this song. Come on. Beside partying and everything, but if understand that it's quality, or something you put on everything on it to make it happen. Because this is dope. Way too dope. No. This is way too dope. Make sure you check out this video right now. Right now. Even if it's not with go and check BLAQ I-Avhude, Bring It On, featuring Skidi. You know what? If you don't know how to say it, check on the description. Down there, there's a link. Yeah, this official video. I've put it right there. Or anyone hey video. Because this is what we've been saying, man. But venda, we're good at it. The reason which we watch blocker is because they know once we take over and we own it, we'll be taking over forever. We'll be taking each and every country that could get the music wash. Beyond that, you know how good we are. Yes, but meaning and all that. But the truth is the truth in the already. Because you won't know what's happening in KZN. Come on, I deal with all these artists in and I don't know. I mean, like, not even far. Tonga rap things or venda rap your farana bad. I was division they always fighting. But one thing in this hour, guys, let's do this. Whether you go with me, focus on doing you and do the greatest that you can. What a dope music video. What a dope song. Damn it. Corona why kurita somar. The sun ain't gonna live up money, man. Okay. Really deposit the fight. Did we accelerate, tolerate, and the gas accelerate and go penetrate. The teacher that's been got your debate and go overtake. But remember to celebrate to indicate. Okay, really did that my sweet. For running lick and a sweet. In the Pukambid, the Kurumatona mobile, in Chitamba Bill, in the Rangatona Mavi. The Faramak to show me still do one more to see it. Tapel and daughter, Minas of Sotola Pambili. Rigoribu Wamubiri, Rigoribu Wamubiri. Mucho achiri rubiri, mucho achiri rubiri. Rigoribu wa mubiri, rigoribu wa mubiri. Mucho achiri rubiri, mucho achiri rubiri. Abude, abude, abude. Abude, abude, abude. Bring it on there, abude, abude, abude.
Yeah, man. Check the part, check the vibe. You know what? Let's celebrate and let's appreciate. Was the film one of the greatest? Like, you know what? Nandi Arosha. Ngushuma. Nikushuma to a point in aichavudziswa kana apfe hehe mini no avhude ri vhukakati avhude ri vhushele ane avha na thaidzo ndi zwawe muṅwe na muṅwe khou ita zwawe but one thing you need to know respect zwine muṅwe muthu avha khazwo ndi uri zwavhuḓi vhuḓi ri khou ri kha vhuḓe ri khou amba uri na vhurereli ini mukereke itani zwa kereke riṋe ni litshe na maboḓelo ashu ni litshe uri sasaladza vhane vha nga ngei vho shela fola fhasi na riṋe ri tshi ri shela fola fhasi vheni vha like let's just have fun mara when the track plays ni tshi ri kha vhuḓe ndi ngani kwa mara vhuḓe ngo ḓambela waini ya tshilalelo ti a lekeza dzi politiki ndi khou amba but yo guys this was a dope song I'm loving it respect to Black Eye mushumo wavhuḓi nga maanḓa na Z-Films Z-Films nine ya khou shooter zwine khou shooter Rezi K yeah vha khou ḽa luimbo lwo no pfhi ndi ya muofha so expect more work from Z-Films and then expect more work from Black Eye zwine nda nga amba zwone ndi zwa uri na Black Pearl nene o fhedza u shooter music video wawe it's about to drop soon so guys ni ḓiṱhogomele sanitize I'm just left with like a few seconds a few minutes yeah about a few seconds not even a minute so I'm just saying thank you very much for the dopest music Black Eye, you did a great job with your team. Nendiko respect zwezo. I just want to see more work you guys doing. Nisongo nyama, nisongo mena mrau. We're still here to support you guys. Ne? We're still here in push. Comzero is right there. Unazungu channel that coming up. We have your bread and butter. If you want the dopest interviews, you can check them out. If you want anything that has to do with people, lives, empowering people and promoting artists, you can also check out SABC Lewu. You can check out Ntumbu online radio. You can bring us the music on vanrapradio@gmail.com or our website www.vanrapradiostation.co.za or renderfast.co.za. So, we love you so much. I'm out of here. This was the dopest music video I've watched this morning since I woke up. Yes. Thank you. I really bad. Everybody, ready,